One Piece, chapter 1089. Quick recap. Let's get straight into it. So the chapter opens up in Fuchsia Village, Luffy's hometown, and we see Whoopslap, the mayor, and he's reading the paper that's reporting Garp to be missing in action as he reports this to the citizens. Then we see that all around the Blue and the Grand Line, the citizens are starting to experience severe earthquake and tsunami. The same shit is also happening in Water 7 as we see an image of Iceberg. Also, Marine HQ is affected as we see an image of Hina. And it's also happening in Wano and in Impel Down. The situation is so severe that these earthquakes are also affecting Mary Joyce as we see the celestial dragons panicking. Unknown ships arrive to the massive hole where Lelouch took place 6 days prior. Now we cut back to Egghead finally, and we see a marine fleet approach with over 100 marine battleships and 20 of them being great warships in a total of 30,000 marines. The operation is being spearheaded by 9 vice admirals and 1 admiral, that being Kizaru. Kizaru lets Sentomaru know that this operation is taking place due to Vegapunk's choice to research the Void Century. It's revealed that one of the 5 elders, J. Garcia Saturn, is inside one of the warships and is trying to keep his presence a secret. One of the Marines tells Saturn that Egghead's researchers and workers have evacuated yesterday, and Saturn tells them to sink them if caught. The 4 Gorosei at Mary Joyce get a call from York, and this is all happening while the Marines at Egghead intercept the call and can hear everything as well. York questions as to why they are trying to kill her if she helped them as a spy, and the Gorosei, they just see her as a Vegapunk despite the help. The Gorosei realize that York can replicate the Mother Flame and they seem to need it for someone. And so therefore the Gorosei agree to save her and even offer her a possible Celestial Dragon position. The chapter then ends with York yelling out, "Save me," to the Gorosei, and we see that the Straw Hats have York secured on the ground with like sea prison stones, and they're all standing above her like this. And that's the end of the chapter. I don't think we're about to go to war in Egghead. I think they're going to end up escaping because it's 30 Marines versus just the Straw Hats and Rob Lucci, Kaku, and Stussy. It's like 13 versus 30,000. And then on top of that, they have Saturn, which nobody knows how fucking strong he truly is. And they have Kizaru and 9 Vice Admirals. I think they're just going to make an escape.